Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're eating marshmallows and this pack from
Okay, this is shop.
UK.
Well, you got UK holiday, French, Italian to German, jet set, and Spanish. What kind of Shopkins?
We got this.
It's a vacation.
I
We're
see
vacation
Paris
pack.
Tower. I want to take the Paris Tower.
Transporting to Europe. Now some seasoning.
We got this box. Don't need that. We need this. Okay, now you take it out for the rest. Flip these mystery backpack. We got ice cream.
Gelato from Italy, obvious. It's obvious from Italy.
Paris Tower.
You went there before?
Yeah.
You have your hot dog right down
Yeah,
below.
it was so long, like this long. It was a gigantic hot dog.
Yeah.
It was very big.
And you see a lot of rats, Mickey running around the city.
Mickey Mouse and my help PA hates. Oh no! Duplicate!
Okay, somebody who have their luck to get one. Yeah, from another video.
We don't need that.
Yeah, you want? Anybody want to get one? Just leave her a message.
Leave it. Comment down below that you want this perfume or not.
Yeah, let's have a close up.
It's click it right there. It's 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 right there. So, yeah. Where's the stack the third one up? We got these two, now we got a purple one, and we'll stack them up. Okay. I got this. We can stack them up at the side too. I have no idea how we're going to do that. So. No, not like this. Okay, it's like this maybe. Does not stick together. I thought I could stick it together before. I saw it. Okay. Now, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. And well guys, see you all next time. Goodbye.